Yeah.
Jumpsuits. What jumpsuits?
Yeah, pink and black ones, spotty.
I think they were about $8 or something.
$8.
Oh, are there any polka dot ones?
Polka dot.
Casey, put him back on the table.
Only black.
Do they have short ones, like not long legs?
Casey!
Black and then
Casey,
white and
They've got like. They've got like.
Are they only long legs though, or do they have short legs, like shorts in the shorts? I want like black. I want a black one. Black one. Black or white with shorts.
Put him back.
It's making my hair messy.
What other colours do they have there?
Hello, mister. Come here. Come here.
I think my
Come here.
I think my cat scratch is infected. No.
Oh, what?
What is that?
Eddie!
Oops.
Eddie!
Okay,
Oh, nasty! Oh, nasty pasty! Oh. Hey! You naughty boy!
Now, Oma, you try doing that.
Yeah. Oh. You're naughty! Oh. Put him back, Casey.
Oh.
Casey, look at this.
He went back himself. You cheeky sod. Look at him.
Pink one as well.
Yeah. I'm doing the other side, but
Yeah.
I want to go that way.
Yeah. Yeah. Here's you, mister. Come on. Herbie. Herbie. Oi. 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 Oh. Oh. He's attacking Kayla now. Oh. Oh. Stop being naughty. Mister, what are you doing? Oi.
Oh my god, if you do, Mum will kill you. Get up. Go away. No, you're just. Ow! Stand, go on the laptop. Oh, I don't like that.